So, I'm going camping this weekend, and I'm about to leave. Got my bag right here. Got some frisbees and got my tent. I'm ready to go. Yo, how's it feel?
What are you?
Loading up the truck.
You are literally the lamest person.
Say that again?
Wait, what are you doing?
Nothing, man. Alright, well, set up my tent here. I'll be in here with 2 other people, which will be on either side of me. I'm in the center here. Just set up my sleeping bag, and it's on top of this lightweight mattress pad, so that'll be good. It's supposed to be a really rainy weekend, but I'm hoping it ends up to be a good time. You guys ready?
Do like a push pass.
You guys ready? Ooh. Yeah. Are you able to catch? Well, let's find out. Guess not.
I can't even see anymore.
Too bad. All right.
Never mind.
You good?
I'm only throwing where the
Oh.
light is.
Oh, I
Can't
dropped.
even see where you are.
Yeah. Well,
Point it down.
here we go.
Down.
Man, we're really bad.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it up.
All right.
Higher, maybe. Never mind. Hard.
Yeah, well. All right, here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Nice. Got it. Here. Yeah.
Got it.
Heights of your
I tried. I'm not sure you said my name, but I tried.
Tommy.
Hi. Hello there. How are you doing today? This is awkward. You should really stop. Says my
That's cool. Sean, what are your thoughts on the fire?
It's okay. Never mind.
Cool.
I was about to say lit, but
Yeah, same exact thing.
Dude.
Someone throw a battery in the fire.
oh, I have a battery. Let's do it.
No. Well, good morning. It is 6:50. I'm awake, and I am soaked. It seems water. It's been like pooling in here and then dripping down. But, you know, I can't say that I'm surprised. Because it's just raining. Well, we'll see how today goes.
God, Jason, what are you doing? Jeez. Oh.
You guys are doing great with that sausage.
Ah.
Way to spend that
It's a beautiful documentary about food.
Oh, well, that made no difference. What is this?
Would you like to meet the chefs?
Who did this?
Hi, I am Chef Henson. I planned this meal.
Good job, Benson.
Thank you.
Hey, Jason, you know what I like? Camping! Let's go!
Brendan, how's it feel to be clean in there?
I love you.
Water is wet.
Water's wet?
Yeah, water is wet.
Yes, it is.
Whoever doesn't say so is a hater because they can't comprehend the fact.
Water is not dry. What is Tommy, what do you guys say?
Yes.
Is water wet or is water dry?
Is by definition no, in actuality yes. It's wet.
Okay, listen.
I disagree with you.
Does
by
this water
definition, it's not.
falling
but
from the sky
in
look wet to
reality.
you, Sean? No.
Yeah.
This is the driest water I've ever seen.
No.
That makes no sense.
Makes all
That's
the
right.
sense.
It doesn't make no sense.
is dry your
It
skin.
doesn't make no
Oh. Wow. That's,
Oh,
Did not hear what you just said.
Is
no
water
idea what you
really?
said.
Why me? Is that what you're saying?
I want you to repeat what you said so I can then know if
You know
I'm
what else
right.
is dry? Your skin.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
oh, got you there.
I thought Benzie was laughing at a joke, and I was like, how did he hear that, but Brendan didn't?
Because the second time you shouted it.
I got grease meat. And finally, I eat cars for a living. No context, no context. Here we go. I still love you.
That just needed to be done.
No, it's the Eric Cartman video. No, wait. I don't have a wife again.
What do you want?
Fight.
This is the camping trips, guys. When it's pouring rain, no one wants to be here.
Good thing we're leaving early.
Who's the rain guy?
Yep.
Hey, Jason,
Strike me down.
get on my face.
Whoa!
Where's your blood circle? Jason,
I'm
grab me my
taking
blood
a,
circle.
I'm walking away. Walking away.
Whoa. Back up. What? Back.
Showing your hair's pretty gnarly there.
What do you have in your hand? A knife. No. Oh my God, where'd you get a knife?
And the kid's like running.
I'm going super fast.
Any words to say, Brendan?
Any wise words of wisdom, Mr.
Any
Peterson?
wise words of wisdom?
Run away!
I just want to make sure everyone knows that the rain is not wet. It's actually very dry.
No.
So yeah.
I will not accept this.
Water is dry.
No. This should not be a thing that anyone argues. If you say water is dry,
Water is dry.
I immediately think less of you.
Water is dry. How can you think less of me than you already do, Jason? Yeah, get rest.
Stick your head under
yeah, I
that.
do think pretty well
And
of
then
you
we'll see if
today.
water is dry.
I believe that you're in love with me. Bump, bump.
Oh, we're still going?
We could.
We get it almost every night.
You'd upload this, you're gonna be YouTube famous.
Oh, definitely. Dude, you can't actually get your hands high enough to put it behind his head.
You're like my personal trainer.
It's the rock.
Really? It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. It's a rock.
What do you got to say about that, Brendan?
Scoop-dee poop-dee.
Scoop-dee poop-dee.
Scoopty poopty, scoopty whoopty doo.
Scoopity poop-dee. I like old Kanye better. I hate the new Kanye. Just because he likes Trump means he's the worst person to ever exist in the world.
Exactly. I agree 100%. Yep. No sarcasm, right?
No sarcasm or anything?
I didn't like old Kanye either, so you know.
I don't like him now, and
I never liked him, okay?
Even
Nothing's changed for me.
even when he supported Trump, I still hated him.
Isn't he going to run against Trump?
Yeah, no.
I thought he was running as
2020!
Democrat.
He's on 2024. 2024.
I thought he was doing 2020.
No, but
2024.
no.
21?
He put in a Twitter 2024 because he's going after Trump.
I thought he was going Democrat, though.
Oh, he's going at.
21?
Okay, let's just be honest. There's no way Kanye could get the Republican nomination.
There's no way he can get the Democratic nomination.
Yeah, now.
Here, okay, 2020 Democrat nomination. Prediction right now?
Hillary Clinton.
No. Cory Booker. Cory Booker.
Corbin Blue.
No, I don't necessarily.
Me!
I don't know if I support Cory Booker, but I'm just saying he will be nominated. You know, there's glasses. There's glasses.
Cool. Maybe I'll be able to see.
You can finally see yourself from a new perspective.
Wait, whose glasses are
They're on the ground.
What?
God. Oh my God. You can see yourself from a new perspective. Broken.
Wow. These are broken.
Wait, can I see?
Yeah.
Wipe them off.
This is the end.
No.
Yo, add me on Instagram at sf.flanagan, okay? All lowercase. That's all I need to say.
Okay. Anything you got to say, Brendan, before I run out of space
Link in the
again?
description, just so Jason has to do more work.
All right, I guess I'll put your link in the description.
Yeah!
Yeah, that's the end. I guess it's the end of the trip because we're gonna be leaving soon.
Water's dry.
No!